The issue of phase 5, the issue of that Tauga was talking about, we started it with late Babaja Kande in 2003. Mass housing basically was supposed to be given to developers. We sat together, Babaja Kande, the former president, Obasanjo, and we came up with the idea, just the way we are talking. And they said, okay, for us to be able to have control, let us earmark chunk of land to be developed by registered or known developers. Give them the mass housing land. But today, my colleagues will not want to tell you how they go about getting their land. They go to, my sister will not tell you. You got it directly? So how on earth do you now want to have information about a developer? The real sense then was that for mass housing, let all developers come up with every information about them, their bank, every detail, so that when you have challenges, since there is a synergy between the private sector and the public sector, you'll be able to really know who is building what and who is not building what. And on phase 5, the day the issue of, with due respect, phase 5 came to be because of my singular effort. Engineer Mbaka's estate was to be demolished that early morning of Saturday. I was invited by Yaya. Then I was the president of the association. I was president so many years ago, in 2009. I took over from Babaja Kande. So I went there. He said he wanted to show me one of those things that my colleagues were doing and they're not doing rightly. The next thing was demolition. And they started demolition. And they said all the houses along Lugbe houses will be demolished. So I went to the CBN governor then, now the Emir of Kano. I said, Your Excellency, a whole lot of us will go to jail because most of these developers got money from the bank. And virtually everything will be demolished. So we went to the then president, Jonathan, and we sat down for almost 6 to 9 months. My colleagues bought me a car then because of the effort we put in place. And the president agreed that, okay, let us superimpose the existing structure on, and let's talk about phase 5 development. Let us superimpose the existing structure on the phase 5. Let's accommodate as much as we can accommodate. And they did that. We thought that would be the end of all kind of things like area council. But today, it's a difficult thing. So not until you are able to put structures in place, honestly, we'll be discussing and discussing until God's no more.